Hello, welcome to Dance for Kids with Iris. This is your chance to imagine, to create and dance. My name is Christian and I'm wearing my favourite light blue party shirt. My short black hair is swept across and I've got silver glitter on the side of my face. Let's find out where we're dancing today. Get ready to knock. Now, where is that through the letterbox? Iris, can you describe it for us?
Wow, this is a groovy room. There's a funky dance floor with tiles of red, orange and yellow. There's some cupboards and cabinets and a funky stripe wiggling across the red wall. Oh, and how could I miss those two big red speakers, ready to play some funky tunes? And my favourite, a disco ball. This room is for cooking and grooving.
We are in the kitchen and our disco dinner is smelling great. It's my favourite macaroni cheese. Now I need to ask Mo whether they want mac cheese or vegan mac cheese. Iris, can you call Mo?
Calling Mo. Mo is a wheelchair dancer and she's looking ready for a disco with a bright orange top, yellow leggings and purple socks.
Hey Mo.
Hi Christian.
Very important question for you. Mac cheese or vegan mac cheese?
Vegan mac cheese, please.
Absolutely, you got it. I have a great idea. While we're waiting, why don't we practice our disco moves together?
Yeah.
Find your starting position so you are ready to dance and shine. Lights up. Disco ball. Music ready. Find a groove. Those are some nice moves, Mo. Let's shrug our shoulders up to our ears like Mo's doing. Let's go one shoulder, other shoulder, first shoulder twice. And one shoulder, other shoulder, first shoulder twice. Again, one shoulder, other shoulder, first shoulder twice. Now we're going to do some disco hands. I'm going to make my fists and then I'm going to circle them around each other really quickly and I'm going to return to the starting position. I think we should do those movements with a bit more groove. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, shoulder, double shoulder, 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 double shoulder, 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 double shoulder, disco hands, disco hands. That was amazing. It's time for our next move. You're going to shift forwards and shift forwards in your chair and then return. Shift to the side or lean to the side and return. Now you can either press up in your chair and open your chest to the ceiling like Mo, or you can step back like me and open your chest to the ceiling before you return. It's now time for one of my favourite moves. It's the disco point. We do our disco point to the top corner, to the bottom corner, to the top corner, and then the bottom corner. That's fantastic. I think we need to do all of those moves with, you guessed it, a little bit more groove. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, shoulder, double shoulder, 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 double shoulder, 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 double shoulder, disco hands, shift forward, shift side, shift back, and disco point, disco point. Nice work. We need some arm movements. Let's take both our arms in front and scrunch our hands together to make a fist. We're then going to swipe across the body like we're wiping a table. We now do exactly the same move to the other side. We bring our fists together, bring them down past our knees to a low position. Now can you sparkle your hand with disco glitter? Let's find out. Sparkly. Refind your fists, bring them down past your knees to a low position on the other side. Let's find that disco glitter again. Amazing. Now it's time to do those arm movements with, I know you know by now, a little bit more groove. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fist swipe. Other side. Down low, disco glitter. Other side, disco glitter. That was awesome. It's now time to do mine and Mo's other favourite move. Have a watch and a listen first, and then we can do it all together. Take one arm in front, then the other. Touch the elbow, touch the elbow. Now we're going to create a wave across the body with our arms. Let's try. Amazing. One more time. Arm, arm, elbow, elbow. This time we say, macaroni cheese, everybody freeze for 4, 3, 2, 1. That's perfect. Let's do it one more time. And arm, arm, elbow, elbow, macaroni cheese, everybody freeze for 4, 3, 2, 1. It's incredible. I think we are definitely ready for the disco. Let's put all those movements together and have some fun. Lights up. Disco ball. Music ready. This time with audio description, please, Iris.
Let's get grooving, everyone. Are you ready? Here we go. Shoulder, shoulder, double shoulder. Shoulder, shoulder, double shoulder. Shoulder, shoulder, double shoulder. Disco hands, shift forwards and together, to the side and together, and up and together. Disco point, fist swipe, swing down low, disco glitter, swing down low, disco glitter, arm, arm, elbow, elbow,
Macaroni cheese, everybody freeze!
Wow, everyone, that's great. Have a bit of a groove, and then let's get ready to do that all again. Shoulder, shoulder, double shoulder, 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 double shoulder, 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 double shoulder, disco hands, shift forwards and together, to the side and together, and up and together, disco point, fist swipe, swing down low, disco glitter, swing down low, disco glitter, arm, arm, elbow, elbow,
Macaroni cheese, everybody freeze!
Oh, groovy disco dancing, everybody.
Woo! Oh my days, I am so hungry. And I bet you are too, Mo. You need to get yourself round here for some of that vegan mac cheese. And everyone at home, I think you need to go and get yourself some water after all that incredible dancing. Thank you so much for dancing with me and Mo today, and we hope you come and visit again soon. Goodbye, everyone.